channel. Today I have my spring FabFitFun unboxing to share with you guys. The box is really cute this month. I love the design on it. I may keep this to like store some things in or maybe give a gift in. That's what I like about these boxes is they're really reusable. So go ahead and dig right into it. We have like a little postcard type of deal with a coupon on the back to give to a friend. It says grow forth. We have some cute stickers in here I'll probably give to my nieces. They're cute. And we have our magazine, which we always get, which has the details of our items and the prices and everything in there. And a HelloFresh 13 free meals code. The first thing that I got is an umbrella, which I really needed a new one, so that's nice to receive. Has a little carrying case, pretty navy blue color with the yellow flowers. And for the details on that, it says it's by the brand Shoshana. May not be saying that right, Shoshana or Shoshana. It says spring showers call for a durable and totally cute umbrella like this one. It retails for $40. Then I got an Ultimate Core toning kit. And this was one of my choice items that I chose. I thought it would be really cool to get something different. And with COVID and everything, we've been working out a lot more at home than going to a gym. So all the little tools I can get, the better. So it has just the cables here. And it looks like a ball. Of course, it's not inflated yet. There's what it looks like all put together. You'll see there in the magazine. It says it's by Gaiam. Again, I may not be saying that right. Their Ultimate Core Toning Kit, as I already said, it says tone your core and improve flexibility with the Core Plus Reformer and Mini Ab Ball. Retails for $50. And next I have some coasters. I think this was one of my choice items too, if I remember right. I thought they were really cute. They go with the tones of my living room being the more natural tones. That's kind of what we have going on, the grays and the neutrals. Thought this would be cute. Here's what they look like out of the package. They're like a woven material. It says they're by Bloomingville. They're their woven seagrass coasters. It says place your drinks and cocktails on these seagrass coasters with white cotton stitching. Retails for $35. And it is a 4-pack, in case I forgot to mention. Then we have by Lark and Ives. It's a hair scarf set. Oh, and this is the first print it comes in. It's nice silky material. And then we have just a plain one. It's in that same nice silky material. It says these super soft scarves can be wrapped around your ponytail or bun, or you can tie them onto your handbag as an accessory. And they retail for $30. And then we have by Human & Kind their moisturizing hand scrub in elderflower and raspberry. Let's see what it smells like. Well, that didn't go as planned. That got me right in the nose. It smells nice and fresh though. Oh, great. Well, note to self, don't squeeze the bottle when you go to smell it. Oh, goodness. It says for that one, it says take extra care of your hands with this scrub that gently removes dead skin cells while leaving the hands oh so soft. Retails for $15. Then we have Sun's Out, Pouts Out. Gold foil lip mask. It's a 4-pack. It says by the brand SF Glow. There's Sun's Out, Pouts Out lip mask. It says kiss dry lips goodbye. Botanical extracts deeply hydrate and condition the lips for a smoother pout in minutes. Retails for $16. I love those type of things. I usually do them when I do a face mask, so they're like getting done all at once. And then we have by Say Hello. Looks like they're makeup remover rounds, I believe. They kind of look like the halo rounds that you see going around. It says they're reusable beauty rounds, is what they say on the back. They just feel like a towel-like material to me with some cushion in the middle. And it says, ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. Retail for $15. That's not too bad. I do use the makeup eraser cloths, and they're like $20 for one. So $15 for 3 isn't too bad. Of course, these are smaller, but I'm definitely excited to give them a try. And then the last thing that I got is by Summer & Rose. They're tweezers with a pouch. Pretty packaging, and even on the outside. Let's see what they look like. Oh, okay. So they're just cute little tweezers with a floral print, and they come with a matching pouch here. Really cute to stick in your bag, especially when you're wearing lashes. If you're like me, I like to take something like this and I glue along with me just in case an inner corner wants to pop up or something. This Rose Tweezer with Pouch by Summer & Rose. Pluck and tweeze those pesky hairs with these stainless steel tweezers, and they retail for $20. That's all I got in my spring box, guys. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you got. If you're interested in signing up for FabFitFun, I'll have a link in the description as well. They run about $49.99, I think, every season. So our next one will be our summer box, which I'm so excited for. And it's a box I really do enjoy. So I'll continue to get and give you these reviews. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. And thank you for watching.